Welcome back to the Primetime News and thanks for staying with us. The St. Catherine North Police are reporting a significant decline in murders, crediting a stronger community resistance to crime and intensified policing. More in this report.
St. Catherine North is recording its lowest murder figures since the division was established in 1996. Senior Superintendent Hopton Nicholson says murders in the division have dropped by 31.6%.
65 compared to 95 for the year 2024, and that is due to a lot of collaboration, work of the police, but a lot of collaboration with stakeholders, and the fact that the general citizenry, they are no longer okay with having criminals among them.
Shooting also declined by 23%, and SSP Nicholson notes murders have fallen by 50% since January.
We have only 3 murders compared to 6 last year, and we hope to keep that trend going down.
But despite the progress on major crimes, police say there is still cause for concern. Housebreaking and larceny remain persistent problems across the division. Since the start of the year, 9 people have been arrested in connection with these offenses, including 2 suspects taken into custody.
They were found with at least 8 of those poker boxes. Yes, that they could not properly account for, 3 in a motor vehicle and 5 at a house.
SSP Nicholson is now urging political representatives to help strengthen community vigilance.
I am appealing to councillors to appeal to your constituents. When strange people are around that they don't know, let us know. And I am telling you, it is important because 5 of the persons who have been arrested, 2 are from St. Anne, 1 from Kingston, 1 from Manchester, 1 from Westmoreland. So you understand the kind of imported, the kind of migration of criminals that is coming to St. Catherine. And with the highways coming, both highways having entrances and exit, we realize it is easy to come in and out. So we have to get the help of the citizens to help us to cauterize the number of break-ins.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.